Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof to the digital. Taking one over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pies. Bada bang, that's an auto game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get above the lane. Ain't about the trade. Have another trade. Get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Jewel drapes in these waters forbidden. Making them willing. That's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. We're breaking the news. Revenue proof. Undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. Undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Otter gang. I don't know if this is working or not. You guys let me know in the chat. Let's jump into the charts. It's chopping bad. I know it's not my computer. I mean, I got the Starship Enterprise right here. So it's definitely not the computer. Good morning, everybody. We do have a big snowstorm right now, and it's like minus 18, so I don't know, maybe that's it. Sound is good now? Thanks, bro. Well, it's still giving me the maintain smooth streaming, not receiving enough video. Weird. Very weird. That's all right. That's all right. We will be okay. Guess I should share it out to the Discord. Never as smooth as you would like it to be. No rude comments this morning. Will be AlexOCrypto. Not offensive. The non-offensive version today. What's going on, everybody? So stream is okay. Everybody can hear me okay. Not too choppy. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here. What's up, Billy? Good to see you, man. Let's go pineapple on pizza. That's one of those days. We got to do it. The best poll in all of polls. Let me know if you're having any issues. YouTube is messing with a lot of people. Hot chocolate weather. I haven't had hot chocolate since I was a little kid, man. Rolling over this morning. Nasdaq pushing back into its range. ETH getting A little choppy here as well. Consolidation, right? Consolidation, no continuation down, which is a bonus. We got a little bounce on the ES as well, which is good after our cascading waterfall yesterday. Hopefully you guys got short. If not, whatever. There's more trades. We're at the bottom of the range, so right now, everybody, we're holding on. We're holding on. The issue is right now is that a lot of these moves up have been very impulsive. Okay, which, in my opinion, leaves a lot of liquidity before, in my opinion, we can go up. They're not going to let. Well, let's face it. Even our community, we have swing traders who are long from down here. I know CVO is. I know I bought on spot down here. I know that HRJ in our community is. So, like, just in general, we know that there's longs down here. Is this the bottom? I don't think so. I just said it. We'll see. If this, then that, right? We're always preparing as best as we can. When looking at this, we still have nice bullish momentum on the way up, right? So we can all be happy about that. We can all look for the bounce. Very dovish Fed yesterday, and then now it's like everybody's like, well, like they said inflation is still inflation, and you know what? At the end of the day, they're turning the money printer on. They're buying treasuries. So, to me, that's bullish. You have a fireplace? Yes, we have a fireplace. Yeah. Gas fireplace. Good morning, everybody. Isaacs, Kermorales, Shrien Pandey. What's going on, man? Good to see you. Thank you for being here. VWAP rejections up top here. It's still giving me the error on YouTube. YouTube's not receiving enough video, which is weird. Whatever. It's because they can't handle the alpha, the omega, the eggs. Curb, what's going on, man? Good to see you. Sniper's Nightmare, Shriyan, Milan, Muckin, good to see you guys. Thank you for being here. Laurent, Felipe, Colin, what's going on, man? Good to see you. Well, it's Jesse. Good morning, Keith. Buffering. Are we good now? Stream's all right, right? Right? Stream's okay. Whatever you take, Frost, take less. Yeah. Whatever you take less. Oh, man. Thanks, bro. Is that a Geo comment, bruh? I ain't going down the bruh. I ain't that guy, man. My wife heard that. She would divorce me. What's going on, DZ? Decent crypto, mucking. Interesting remix today, yeah. No condescending remarks today. I don't know what happened yesterday. Some people got really offended. And you know what? Who cares? I'm not your dad. I have, if you know me for the years that I've been here, it's the last thing I'm doing. Midas. You know, the Midas touch is pretty interesting. The Midas touch, you know, you think it's about greed. The Midas touch is a king. I think the story goes as the king wants to be able to turn everything to gold. So everything he touches turns to gold. And it's greedy, right? Because what happens is that he goes to drink water and it turns to gold. So he has no water. He goes to eat food and it turns to gold. So he has no food. He goes to kiss his daughter goodbye. He turns her to gold, right? It's a story about greed. It's interesting. Offshore, what's going on? Sly Monkey, Felipe Colin, Jep. I never know how to say your name. I'm going to call you DJ. Ramus, good morning. Crypto Billy, Decent Crypto Ramus. Thank you guys for being here, Laurent. Such a boring person. Fuck your feelings. Yeah, if you're offended, it's your ego. Yeah, absolutely. You can't say anything nowadays. People are sensitive, right? And then they go and tattletale on you. I mean, I got so many messages yesterday of, oh, I'm bad mouthing you and bad mouth. I'm never trying to offend anybody, man. I'm just here to click fucking buttons and hang out. If you don't want to click buttons with me, go click buttons with someone else. It's okay. I won't be offended. I streamed to 3 people. Oh, we'll be okay. We'll be okay. We'll continue to we'll continue to make bank. There's the greed. There's the greed. But it's always an honor and a privilege to hang out with you guys and to serve you guys and hopefully help you guys navigate the charts a little bit better. That's why I'm here. The Discord's been on fire lately. Nice rollover. It's funny how this all happens over and over again. That, you can ask the Discord. We were saying buy the rumor, sell the news yesterday. The day before yesterday. We were saying that on Monday. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Right? So it's the selling of the rumor, right? If you're not able to differentiate what's going on here, right? When you have a euphoric pump the day before, a consolidation back into the main range, right? Chop, chop, chop. And then they send it, not only choppy, but they send it up only during his speech, right? If you can recognize the break here, you can make money. I shorted here. I shorted here. I shorted here. We even shorted last night on the live stream. So at the end of the day, what I keep trying to explain to people right now, and I think it's important, is we need to, as a group of people, we need to, one, identify the range, right? Like if you can identify the range, you can take advantage of the range. Buy low, sell high. It's like the easiest strategy on the planet. The problem is that people put the blinders on. I find, this is what I find, is people put the blinders on. You get a pump like this, and you think you're going to Valhalla. You get a pump like this, you think you're, and price action is just in a range. So you want to sell high. And it's hard to sell high here when your altcoins are down 90%. It's hard. Married to the bag, right? Being objective as a trader is hard, especially when you're invested in spot bags. So where are we right now? We're at the bottom of a range, right? We've talked about this for many a time here. So we're at the bottom of the range. We look for 89 to hold. We look for major resistance at the point of control. And we look for 93, Gandalf. We bloody put Gandalf on the screen last night. What does that mean? Gandalf ain't letting you pass, right? We put him on. Should I just leave him here? So you guys all understand? Here, we'll leave him here. So we all understand. And that we're prepared. Right? Because if you're not able, if the bulls want to push this out, which they are, there's clear bids to push this out. If the bulls want to continue to push this out, they got to defend here. If not, we go to the lows, which is fine with me too. Stream is healthy now. Okay. Excellent stream conditions, it says. It says excelente. Excelente. Stream is healthy now. Look, stream is healthy. So if you eat your broccoli, we're still good. My son loves broccoli. We call it broccolocoli. Maybe it's because we named it that. He loves broccoli. I don't even like broccoli that much. What's going on, Lunar Beaches? Good to see you, Bet. My man. We have to get Lunar Beaches to 1,000 subscribers for Christmas now. We did Wave Cipher, so now we're gonna do Lunar Beaches. $7.58. We got how many days? 23, 24 days. We'll get you there. If you guys wouldn't mind going and subscribe to Lunar Beaches Crypto, I'd appreciate that. We'll do a giveaway once we get a little bit closer. Oh my God, here we go again. We'll experience buffering. It's still not working. Weird. They know that we're up. They know that we're up $30-something thousand this month, and